Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna go over my makeup routine and my hair routine to what I would do if I would be going out to a club to party and not in quarantine. First things first, I got a shower, and some of the products I love to use are Olaplex. I use their shampoo, conditioner, and their serum because I dyed my hair and it kind of destroyed it, but these products make it extra silky smooth. And for my face, I use the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash, the grapefruit. Oh, it's great because it's like a scrub and it gets all of the dead skin off. Ooh, scandalous! 30 minutes later because I take so long in the shower. And yes, that is a robe from a resort, but I, kind of just borrowed it. You already know what time it is. Alright, so I use this blow dryer because it is super strong and it dries my hair within, I want to say, 10 minutes. Once I have finished blow drying my hair, I brush it out a little bit to get ready for the next step. Alright, now we are going to straighten the hair. Now, I live in Florida, so my hair gets really frizzy, and I mean like crazy. And I normally have pretty straight hair, but in Florida, it's a no-no, especially with this humidity. Just know that if you ever come to Florida, or if you know, oh, you know, it gets crazy. So this straightener does the job very well. Oh, did you see that transition? All right, now we're gonna move on to the fun part. Now watch as I sing while I do my makeup. Probably during the whole video. First, start off with my favorite foundation, Armani. Fun, quick story. I tried on this foundation first when I was in Beverly Hills at their Sephora. Probably shouldn't have gone to that one because they're the ones that turned me on to the Armani foundation. So you're just gonna dab it all around the face, and all you need is literally one squirt. As you saw, I just put one squirt and that literally covers my whole face. Very smooth, very silky, and it does really have that complete coverage. The next dope product that I use is the Tarte concealer. This is one of my favorite products like ever. I just love this concealer because it really does have that complete concealer coverage, like legit. I usually get bags under my eyes, TMI, but I do, and this really covers them. Once you have put it around your face however you want, I like to do it the way you just saw because those are the places I need it, and then I just blend it in like I did with the foundation, and you're good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, the next step will be the eyebrows. It's a very important step. First thing I do is I brush out my eyebrows so there isn't any misplaced hairs, and then I just blend it in as you're seeing. Okay, damn, who is she? Next step is the setting powder. Now this is a product that TikTok made me buy, and it smells so good. Alright, you open it, and I have a fan in my room, so let's just play that back. You just saw all that powder? And might I just add that it's only like $5 on Amazon? It's a deal. Dab on your face ever so lightly, and it makes your face matte so you're not super shiny, because ladies, we all know that we get so shiny and it is so annoying. So this is a great thing to make sure that that doesn't happen. Time for the eyes, and I use the Kylie eyeshadow palette. It is phenomenal because it has amazing colors. I'm gonna be real with you, eyeshadow and me, we are not always compatible. I don't know how some people make their eyeshadow on their eyes look amazing with like different layers and all of that. So you know what, I just kind of play around with what I can do. Okay, here comes the step that a lot of people dread, including myself. You see I'm praying there, I'm not gonna screw this up. The eyeliner. Yes, it's a hard one. I always screw this up, and this is the first time I'm gonna do it while I'm on camera. So let's hope that I don't screw this up. Okay, I got one side. Now let's try to make the other side match. Okay, girl. Sorry, I'm just feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Mascara time! This is also a product that TikTok made me buy. It is called L'Oreal Telescopic. I think I'm saying that right. It makes your eyelashes so pretty. It is time to bronze, blush, and highlight. Now, when I put the bronze, the blush, and the highlight, I always make like a fish face where I pucker my lips so you can see my cheekbone. As I put the highlight on, I also put it on the tip of my nose so it's shiny. I put it on my lips, on the top of my lip, and I put it under my eyebrows and on the little part, I don't know what it's called on your eye, but you'll see that I do it. Guys, we're almost done. Here on the lipstick, the Kylie lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick. It is the shade Commando. It's phenomenal. Time to get dressed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will write down every product that I used in the description below. Stay safe, everybody.